Hello all. A few days back, we have posted a drawing on social media so we can help you make this component. We have got a lot of results. So in this video, we'll see how to make this. Firstly, let us understand the drawing. The drawing is actually a first angle projection, which is of this is your front view, the left view, and the top view. So to begin making this model, I am using CREO as the CAD tool. You can also try it in any other software you have, for example, SolidWorks or CATIA, and share your result with us. Now, welcome to CSCAD Technologies. Let's begin by making this model. Now, in CREO, as usual, let us try to create a new part. And select the units and say OK. Understand the drawing and then let's begin. I'd like to do it from the front view. So I'll be taking a rectangle of 45 by 30. Okay. Now talking about the 0, 0, I'll take the center as 0, 0 because I can make these cuts from the center using the center plane. So this is my center and then I'm trying to make it exactly at the center again, and this is 45, this is 30, which I have just told you. Now while adding the material also, I'd like to keep the body in the center, which is at this location. So let me try to maintain symmetry and maintain 45 as well, which is the depth of the component. Now let's begin making these cuts. I'd like to start by making this cut in the front view. You can use the front plane or the front view, whichever is flexible for you. Start making this profile. I'd like to cut this profile. Now I know that the dimension from this edge to this face is already mentioned. Similarly, I know that the height from here to the feature base is also mentioned. I 24. I haven't seen the dimension. Now, there's one more dimension which is yet to be given, which is actually 16.5. So let me do that 16.5 as well. Okay, I'd like to remove the material up to the next surface. Now, from the left view, I want to remove this, which is 25 and 18. So let me take the left view. This is my left view. On this, I'd like to make the sketch. Or you can directly start by making the component, anything which is flexible for you. If you're not okay with it, you can flip the direction, it goes to this view. On this, let's try to make this cut, which is this rectangle. This is 25 and from the bottom edge, the distance is 18. Now, I'd like to cut this material. It should be cut on both the sides of the body. So, I'd use one side as well as the other side. Now, let me take the top view to make this feature as well. So, let me try to use the top view. You can use the top face as well. There's nothing wrong in it, or you can take the top plane. Again, whichever is flexible for you. And the angle is 28. Up to the next surface. Now, the complex part is making this. This is a slant cut which is actually visible from the left view as well as the front view. So to do this, we can create a plane passing through various points. Like for example, from the left view it has to pass through this as well as this, but from the front view it has to pass through this. So once I say solidify cut, it tends to remove the material whatever I want. And once if you select your front view, it shows you this type of a view. Let me try to take a hidden line or a wireframe no hidden and switch off the planes. You'll see this as your front view. Obviously, let's go back to the left view. You'll see this as the left view. You can see the edge in the left as well as in the front view. The complicated part while making this model is only this feature. Few people have actually excelled making this, but few people couldn't. So I just want to make a video for all of you to understand how to make these type of features. There is an option under Solidify which is actually called Solidify Cut. To know further more about how Solidify and Solidify cut works or how part modeling usually works, please feel free to contact us for further details regarding the trainings. We'll explain you everything in detail during the training sessions. Thank you.